Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can replace words in your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example spreadsheet here, and let us go with, I don't know, let us go with that word here, total. So if you'd like to replace it, and let's assume your document or table features that word here multiple times, you can replace all of them at once using the find and replace tool. So what you want to do is navigate to edit, click into it, select find and replace here, or use the shortcut Control H or Command H if you're using a Mac. And after that, that window here will pop up for you. So you need to type in the exact word without any typos and spaces. There you go. After that, you may click into that field below and type in the word you would like to use for the replacement, like, I don't know, current or something like that. And after that, select the sheets. We will go with all sheets in this case here. And you can also include search with links, search with formulas, match case, and so on and so forth. I will leave it at the default settings. And last but not least, guys, click into replace all, confirm. And that's it. As you can see, the word has been replaced, and it would have been applied to any other version of the previous or replaced word if that document contained any more of that word here. Replaced only that one item here. So that's it. Confirm by clicking into done here. And that's how you replace words in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.